Yo, peoples, yo, good morning. It's Wednesday, the 14th of June. 1 second. So, lads, it is the 14th of June, currently 11 a.m. And we are in London session. Coming up towards the end of it, we've got a couple hours left. But yeah, let's load up these charts and see what's happening. Just starting off, I want to go over GBP USD real quick. And remember, lads, I'm ill. So excuse me if my voice sounds weird. But yeah. So if we remember a few days ago on episode 14, I had this thing set out for GU. And I said 126,000 and this purple negative 27 fib. And that's because we had the perfect touch into the 78, well, 70.5. Shy by like, I don't know, 5 pips of the 78. So we've pulled up, we've made a brand new high above this region here. And we've pierced this weekly region that got hit a few times. So we pierced it, come up, made a new high. Now we've retraced all the way back down into this fib zone. But the reason it's come back down into here is because of the money that was here. So then it pulled back up. Then we made these two doji candles. And from this blue one here, because it made a new high above this, came back down and closed. So you can see it closed above, it's come in, closed above, retested, and shot off. So that was your buy signal here. But if you was watching it on the smaller time frames, you could have got in on the first pullback, which was around here. There's a few entries, somewhere in here, and off of this wick. That candle there is beautiful. But yeah, played out very nicely. That's like a 200 pip move. Like you'll notice everything that we're doing is to do with structure. And can you see how it's broken this negative 27 and now we're coming up to that purple zone? Because that's where, you know, look, is where the liquidity is, where all the money is. This region right here. Very powerful. Simply because of how much it moves from. Look, there's 200 pips in that first pump. It pulls up and then it dumps again. For what is that? It literally fell over 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips from here. So this region, if we break in this, we're probably going to see new highs up here. But we shall see how this reacts from this daily region. Literally perfect. Let's delete this because that is done. Delete the arrow. Delete the arrow. Right, cool. So yeah, I'm not going to do anything on GU right now. Just wanted to show you guys how that pulled through. So yeah, we'll just be waiting to see what happens. Let's look at Euro JPY. If you guys could see how my dog was laying right now, it's got issues. Got issues, man. The chest is hurting. At 11:05. Euro JPY. Let's start on the weekly. So we've got this week's high. This week's low. We got last week, that high. We'll put it on there. Don't really think it needs to be on there, but we'll just cover it anyways. So yeah, let's break it down. So let's go with that one up there. So we've capped that up here, and then it's come down all the way down here. Made like this new low somehow. That is lower than there. But then, can you see how the candles have closed higher? Higher than this. And then it's continued up. But it didn't breach. And this candle looks pretty strong. So I'm thinking if we get a breach of this up here, then we're bullish. Weekly. Yeah. So basically, if this week's candle comes up and closes above here, or it comes up, knocks its head and rejects again, we should see that on the smaller time frames. But I do want to keep this. So right now we're reacting to a little liquidity point there, just below the weekly high. So I want to just keep that there. So I've just brought that arrow across just to see, because we've got 1 wick, 2 wick, 3 wick, 4 wick. So when price decides to do what it does, I want to see how these areas have, behaved. Because then when I come onto the 15-minute and I do the time sessions, then I can literally see what the hell's happening. Alright, cool. I'm gonna leave that like that. Obviously, we've had the move already. It's quite a big move, so we could be accumulating, bringing in some orders. But yeah, that's it for. So Euro USD has complete, well, shy of 5 pips. So it would have completed this move. I do think it's still going to come up and breach this region. I do think it's going to do that. But look how nice that is. That is so nice. That is just so nice. And look, can you see how it's very close to that weekly? It's going to react here. This is going to roll over. We're going to close above. Then up we go. Crazy. See, last month was very bearish. And looking at this, we long term, it's going down. I mean, we got this candle formation right here. So what this could be knocking his head on a weekly and then it's completely sinking off. Could roll over. So we could either roll over from here and just drop out of the sky, or lads, it's going to come up, play around up here, and then sink off. Yeah. Feel like we could definitely pull up here, but I'm going to set two zones. One there, one here. That's what I'm setting. So I want to see if price comes up to there. It's going to be a while, and we could catch some nice trades to these levels. This is done now, so I want to clear this. But that was beautiful stuff. So let's clear that. What we want to do is, this is still valid. I like this. But we could now add one here. Perfect touch. Price comes in, comes back to this one here. Retest perfectly. Boom, back above. Pull back. And then that's the decider one. Then it goes, pulls in, and now we're probably just gonna literally break above here. Same way this did, it's just gonna go close above and then trickle its way up. But yeah. Should I set a thing? Let's stop loss a bit normally there. So taking money off the table out. 1, 2, 3 places. Yeah, let's see what that does. Let's see what that does. That's quite good. Okay, GBP AUD. Wow. All right. So from yesterday, I set this on yesterday, but it hasn't done anything just yet. Yeah, yesterday it was like down here, coming up, and then was it yesterday or Monday? I think it might have been Monday. I think it was Monday. But yeah, because I said we had the new low. We had a nice fib move here where it pulled low, pulled up, pulled low. Now I'm thinking we could get a nice one more continuation. Had to pull up, it's rejected the 78, pulled beneath it, hit it, pulled away, hit it, pulled away. But as even though we're getting the dojis up here, the little wicks, we're also getting wicks thrown to the downside. So there is going to be one candlestick that's going to show us which way it's going. And I believe that the candlestick will, if it comes lower, it will engulf this one here with the wick, and then we'll just sink off. But it's still valid. This setup is still valid. So I'm going to leave that on there, and I'm going to build up some confluences. That's where price can go. So we have this nice little gappage here that fills into this region, and we have box from this region here. Okay, so we can definitely, if price comes down, this is where we're going. We're taking money off of here, here, and here, all of these regions. It's not really, you don't really need to put the two boxes like that, but I just did it because I'm weird. Oh, I need help. I'm struggling today. Yeah, I'm not going to say no more. GP AUD, done. Set up there. I don't have to talk any more bollocks. Let's see what happens. Because these YouTube videos, it's not, I'm not trying to sell a course. I'm not trying to make a course. Like, I mean, if you can somehow learn from what I'm saying, then that is from your own, like, smartness. Do you know what I mean? I'm not trying to teach. What I'm doing is just talking out loud my thoughts so that I can process the information clearer on the charts. What I'm doing right now is like a public journal of my chart work. And you guys are just lucky enough to see me in action. Literally all it is. I'm not ever going to be selling anything. I'm never going to be doing anything along those lines. Everything is just going to be me documenting what I'm doing, just for the sake of it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, fuck off. Fuck off, dickhead. Anyways, back to the charts. GA patterned. Don't even need to literally don't even need to touch it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. If we roll over though, if we do roll over, I just want to say something. Wait. I mean, if I'm, what is fucking going on? If we roll over to the upside, yeah, this area here gonna play a nice role because we're gonna break above, yeah. We'll retest it, and then the candle will just come straight up here to this purple line. That's if we go to the upside. But if not, you know, it's coming down here. On the gold, on the gold, on the gold, on the gold, on the gold. Come on, hurry up. Thank you. this talking is not doing any good for my throatage. My throatage is hurting. Better not do that. Put my Adam's apple out of place and choke and die. Me. Shaking tar. Look at the forehead. Whoosh. Gold spot. Gold spot. No, don't do this to me. Come on. Stop lagging. Please, no. I might have to end the video here, guys. It's going to start lagging and messing up, and then I'll lose the whole thing. I'll lose the whole thing. I can't let that happen. Are we good? I don't know. I don't trust it. We could be pushing up here, guys. We could be going up. That monthly is crazy though. But we could be going up. The wicks are not breaking past this region. That weekly low that I have plotted, we're not breaking it. Look, we can't break it. Rolled off once. Boom. Stop hunted these. It's come back again. Retested it. Come back again. And now we come back again. Coming from off of this wick. We come off of this wick. We've come from this one here, this doji, back into that same level. And now guess what's happening? We're pushing back up again. So this was probably a fake move to entice a load of sellers. Look at all of this money up here. I'm telling you, gold is shooting. We are shooting. We could be shooting. Look at that as well. Ta-da! Gold is going up. It's going up. I'm joking. Let me not get gassed. Because if I'm wrong, then this will look like a dickhead, don't I? But I do believe in fairies. I'm chatting shit. It's going up. Because this is too good to be true, bruv. Way too good. And all of this is just pure liquidity. Like, the bankers are laughing their heads off right now, thinking, you lot are dumbasses. They just made money from this move, from all of these stop hunts previously being done. Now they're about to do a gigantic one up here. Glad I'm not involved. I'm not involved. But yeah, if gold don't go up, that's pretty funny. Pretty funny. But if it does, it's going to be brutal. Very brutal. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to put an arrow right there, straight up to that purple zone. That's what I'm going to do. And tomorrow we shall see the results. But yeah, guys, that's it for today. Nice little rundown. Yeah, I've got some exciting news, but I'm going to save that for next vid. So, peace out.